In the solvent, Serena's distance from Darius decreases and then increases. You can use absolute value to model such changes. And that brings us to problem 1, solving an absolute value equation. What are the solutions of the absolute value of x plus 2 equals 9? Graph and check the solutions. Well, our first objective is to get the absolute value part of the expression isolated. So often in the past, we've always worked to isolate a variable. We're going to perform very similar steps, but we'll be isolating the absolute value part of the expression. So subtract 2 from each side of the equation, and we now have the absolute value of x equals 7. And so that immediately splits into 2 different equations, x equals positive 7, and the equation x equals negative 7. So those are our 2 solutions. In order to graph these, we just graph the individual points, one at negative 7 on the number line, one at positive 7. And then to check, well, we plug both of those values in. Checking first positive 7 is the absolute value of 7 plus 2, 9. Well, sure enough. Then checking the absolute value of negative 7. Negative 7 in absolute value becomes positive 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So both of our solutions check out. Your turn. What are the solutions of the absolute value of n minus 5 equals negative 2? Graph and check the solutions.